Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. In this channel, where creativity meets style and nails becomes a canvas. In this video, I am bringing you an electrifying collection of neon summer nail design that will make your fingertips shine and sizzle under the sun. Get ready to be inspired as we showcase a stunning array of vibrant colors, playful patterns, and trendy techniques to elevate your summer nail games to the next level. In this video, you can see that all the colors are very colorful and bright. Bright neon summer nails colors can bring a cheerful and very colorful effect to your personality. Dear viewers, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share my video. And also hit the bell icon button. By this hitting bell icon button, you can receive my all the videos with great ideas of the nails, beauty and styles. Dear viewers, by this video, you can dive into the vibrant world of the neon summer nail designs. By this video, you can pick all the stunning ideas about nail art and nail designs. If you are bright color lovers, then this video is for you. You can pick many ideas, many unique ideas for your nails to bring about a great and new look to your nails. By this video, all the viewers get ready to rock the summer with these neon nail designs and arts, with bright and colorful colors and ideas and art that are sure to turn heads and ignite your inner creativity. Whether you are heading to the beach, attending a summer festivals, or simply enjoy the warm sunshine, these vibrant and playful designs will complement any outfit and make a bold statement. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more nail art inspirations, tips and tutorials. Join my vibrant community of nail art designs and get more brilliant and unique ideas about style, fashions, etc. In the neon nails, you can adopt many different ideas with neon nail jewelry. Elevate your neon nails game with the addition of trendy nail jewelry. From rhinestones to stud, these dazzling accents will take your neon summer nails to the next level of glamour and sophistications. Adopt your ideas and thanks for watching my videos.